Hi guys, in this video I'll show you guys three websites that will pay you just by listening to songs online. Three different websites that will pay you just by listening to songs. In my previous video I did a video where I showed you guys a website that pay you just by playing songs and reviewing the songs. But this video is three different websites that is going to pay you guys just by listening to songs and reviewing those songs as well. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. I'm Chido original. Welcome to my know-how channel. In this channel I teach you guys everything and anything you need to know about making money online, about investing your money and making your money work for you as well. So you might consider subscribing. So I drop videos every 2 times every single week. Hit that red subscribe button now so you won't miss out on any important update I give you guys about making money online. So hit that red subscribe button, do it right now. So today's topic, I'll be telling you guys 3 different sites that is going to be paying you just by listening to songs and reviewing those songs actually. Because from my previous video I did concerning this topic, I got a lot of feedbacks. People were like more interested in this kind of video, so I decided to give you guys 3 different websites that is going to pay you as well, just like the first one, and pay you guys very well. Like this is the top sites I'm giving you guys, the top 3 sites that will pay you just by playing music. I know a lot of people out there love music. A lot of my audience, I guess you guys love music as well. So this is the 3 top sites that is going to be paying you guys. So diving in, number 1 is Playlist Push, and this is the website I talked about on my previous website video tutorial that I did. So Playlist Push is a website just for those of you guys that didn't watch the first video, but I'll leave a link on the description box below and a link above on the previous video so you will understand. There I explained in depth how it works and how to register and all that. So here I'll just give you a quick review for those of you guys that haven't watched it, just to get a tip. Here Playlist Push is where you pay artists pay this website, and people like you and I register in this website and play those artist songs and we get dollar. So artist pays and the listeners earn, and listeners are called curators. They are called curators here. That's what I'm called in this site. So as an artist or upcoming artist, you can promote your song with this site. Just put your song and pay, and other people like you and I and outsiders out there can listen to your song and they earn the money that you paid to this site, right? So that's how it works on this site. So from the previous video, the comment section, I've been seeing a lot of reviews, a lot of questions, a lot of comments, and I've been telling me like, how do they get up to, let me say, a lot of followers on Spotify, right? Because before you can be able to earn on this site, you need a Spotify account, and I explained how you can create it using a VPN if you are in Nigeria and other countries like Bangladesh. I use Hola VPN for instance. I explained it on that video, right? So just watch that video, it will help you a lot. So you create a Spotify account, and the question I've been getting from people is, how do they get followers on Spotify? Okay, this Playlist Push now start paying you when you get at least 400 followers on Spotify. 400 followers on Spotify before they can be able to pay you. So after creating the Spotify account and linking it here, you need 400 followers on Spotify. So I'll show you a site where you can get the 400 followers on Spotify, right? Yeah, I'll show you a site right now. So the site I'll be using is Pico Workers. You can use other websites as well. This is paid. I'll show you this is paid traffic or paid followership. Let me use that term, paid followership, and they have free followership. But this paid one will do it a whole lot faster, and if you have money you can go with this. But I'll show you guys the way to do it for free. Those of you guys that can't afford it, I know things are hard right now, so I'm trying to help everyone out and reach to as much people I can. So Pico Workers is a website where you can, I have a video on this on my channel. That's why I keep saying people should watch my videos so that they can learn all this. And once I'm climbing and telling you guys about this, you won't have issues knowing about what I'm saying about. Sorry. So Pico Workers is a website where you pay people to do micro tasks, complete micro jobs. Once you sign up, I have an account already. Let me log in, so I'll show you guys. You can run a campaign, a post telling people to follow you on Spotify, giving your Spotify URL. Put it on the campaign. You people should go to this URL, right? Go to the URL and follow me. Just running for 400 people or more, or maybe 500, just to be clear and sure. So once you run the campaign, a lot of people will follow you instantly because it's paid, and this thing might just cost you like $5 or $10 at most. So that's just it. If you can afford this, just do it. It will save you a lot of time, and once you do it, you will get 400 followers, and this playlist push can be able to start paying you, and they pay you $12 just by listening to a song, right? Imagine listening to 10 songs, that's $120 per day, and you can even go way more. You can give way more. Just listen and review, right? Listen and review. Once you do that, imagine the kind of funds you are going to be earning. So I encourage you to use these Pico Workers and run the campaign, right? And do the campaign. Let me log in and show you guys how Pico Workers work. Just you pay for people to perform micro tasks like likes on Facebook, likes on Instagram. Many of these celebrities you see, they come here and pay these guys to get much likes and much followers and much everything, and you guys think it's legit. Most of them are just paid, right? So this is where you can get your Spotify followers ASAP and start making money, because here is your end goal, right? So you need at least 400 followers. So that's the question I've been getting on the previous video I did. I hope this video answered it. For those of you guys that have been getting confusion, have been asking me questions, so I decided to make a video and explain more, so you guys will now understand very well how it works. I think this thing is getting a bit slow, my network, by this time of the day, but stay with me, guys. I'll show you 2 other sites that pay you guys. So watch the video on Pico Workers I did. I'll leave it on the description box as well, and on the box icon. If I check the icon box above, check it out, click on it, and you see Pico Workers video, and you see this video as well, the playlist push video. So once you watch the 2 of them, you can be able to start making it. Then I told you guys I'll show you guys how to get free traffic, right? In case you can't afford these Pico Workers, in order to get followers on Spotify, you can get free traffic by follow on all the social medias like YouTube, like Facebook, like Instagram, like Twitter, like TikTok, right? And other many social medias out there that you can just request you guys to follow me on Spotify, right? Follow me on Spotify, and I'll follow you as well. Just do it to a lot of people. Just message them and do that, and they will follow you and you follow them. That's exchange of follows, follow for follow. That's the way to do the free traffic. It will take you a bit of time, right? It might take you a whole day if you're hardworking and you do it right. You can be able to get 400 if you're very hardworking. So that can be able to work depending on how fast you want it. If you have a little bit of cash, like $10, you can just run it right here, and without stress, people will just follow you. But if you don't, you can use Facebook. I'll log into my Facebook account. I'll show you guys. You just maybe go to groups and tell Spotify groups and tell people to follow you, and you exchange follows, right? That's the way to get free. If I come to the side bar and type Spotify and filter it to group, okay, this is for Spotify, right? Spotify, and filter it to groups, then I can be able to message people and tell them to follow me, and I'll follow them as well, and a lot of people will follow me, and I can use other social media handle platforms to do that as well. So that's the 2 ways: paid and free followership, paid and free. So I hope that answers this question for the playlist push that you guys have been answering. So before I dive into the second website that is going to be paying you guys just by listening to songs and all that, let me encourage you guys, if you have any questions so far or any comments you want to make, just leave it on the comment section below. Like, you know me, I always respond to all my comments. I don't miss any of them. That's because I value you guys a lot. I value you guys, and I hope you guys value me as well. So share this video with your friends, let them gain, especially in this pandemic. I keep saying it, I can't say this enough. A lot of people lost their job and their source of income. Share this video with your friends, right? So that they can gain value as much as you are doing right now. I'll give this video a thumbs up, just like this video if you are getting value. It will encourage your YouTube algorithm to boost this video to the top rank and help a lot of people to see it just like you did, and also encourage me to keep dropping more awesome videos like this in future so you guys can benefit. So moving on to the second site. The second site is nmbley.com. nmbley.com. That's the second site I will be using. I will leave the link on my description box below, so you won't have any issue going to the website, right? So here's the Nmbley. It's just similar to the playlist push, where you can earn money just by listening to songs, and also they have other ways to earn, right? You can complete offers and get rewards. This is the second way. All right, this is the second way. It just take you 5 minutes and you get 23 points. You convert your points to money, right? You convert it to money. But this is another way you can earn from this Nmbley. It's quite easy. Just sign up on this and start completing. Just request for survey and offers to complete. There you go. Just do it, complete the offers and survey, right? And you get paid. And they have space where you can listen to music and get paid as well. It's there once you sign up. So it's like a 2-step sign up. Just put your email address, your password, and verify your email address via email. They'll send you a mail, just verify it. You know how it goes, right? So instant reward, right? Easy instant reward. So they pay you out through PayPal and they pay you out through Amazon gift cards, Domino gift card. So whichever way, they have a lot of ways, even Xbox way. So they have a lot of ways. They even Facebook cash program that they have. So they have many ways they can pay you out, but most preferably you use PayPal if you want it on cash and all that. If you want Amazon, you can use Amazon. But PayPal is what most guys have been using, so it works with PayPal. So there's nothing that is hindering you from going into this nmbley.com, right? So invite your friends and earn more, right? So one thing with playlist push, they have affiliate program on playlist push. If you go down, you see the affiliate program, right? Once you register someone or someone registers through your link, you get just 5% of whatever the person is making. 5% for lifelong, how long ever the person or the user that registered to your link is using this playlist push, you'll be able to earn up to 5% of your earnings, right? Their earnings. So even if it's 1 or 2 or 3 or 8,000, whatever it is, you keep earning up to 5%. But whereas this Nmbley, this second website I'm showing you guys, this Nmbley, you're able to earn 10%. So 10%, they have affiliate program as well. So this is their 10, they have 10%, you're able to earn 10%. This one is 5, this one is 10. So this one you're able to earn way more by referring people. So you can invite friends and earn more. As you can see here, share your affiliate links with family and earn up to 10%. You can see it here. I'm not just making it up. I don't make up things on my videos. I tell you the facts and I'm showing you guys proof. Earn 10% of your earnings for life, right? Earn this, join me today, and you can see the reviews, people that have been sharing their links as well. So this is a site you should jump on. It's just similar to this. If you watch the video of this playlist push, you're able to understand this, but this one comes with a better benefit, with offers and get rewards, and also earn way more by referring to friends and all that. So this is self-explanatory. This is the Nmbley. So before I move on to the third and final website, which is even way better, because it's a passive way of earning, it's a passive income way of earning, I would like you guys to check out my EP. The link is on the description box below. The Africana Vibes EP is an instrumental EP. It's an African sound EP. In case you are wondering what African sounds like, right? You want to get the feel of African sounds, just check out the description box below. Click on the link there on African sounds and it directs you to all the media platforms out there. The EP is available on all media platforms, all. So just check it out and give me your honest review. Even if you don't like it, just tell me so I'll know where to improve, because it's all about growth, it's all about growing, right? So just check it out, just do it right now, and I will appreciate it if you do it, and I'll keep encouraging me to keep going, right? So in case you don't know, I'm a producer, right? So This is Nmbley. So moving on to the test site. The test site is radioearn.com as well. I'll leave the link on the description box below so you guys can check it out with ease and won't get confused with the spelling and all that. So this is radioearn.com and how it works. And this website you can earn passively. That's one good thing. So how it works: create and sign up. RadioEarn is 100% free. Sign in and register your login to see your account. Right now, you now integrate this. You can integrate it to your website or landing page or whatever platform you have online that's personally yours. Right, you integrate it and people, users, can go there. So start radio or use API, or you can use the API, that's the integration platform, and integrate it to your website. So once people go there, they can click and start listening to songs and music and radio as well. So once they are listening to radio through your website and all that, you earn, right? So another way, earn and pay out. Every 15 minutes you get points. Once you listen, you get points. These points will convert at the following month to USD. So the points will automatically convert to USD and get paid through PayPal, wire transfer, or Amazon gift card, or even Bitcoin. So they accept a way more payouts platforms out there. And that's when you integrate this to your website and you can earn passively, right? Many people will come to your website and you don't even know they are playing songs and you are not doing anything. You just leave it on your website and start earning. So this is RadioEarn. Earn alone or with your website with listening radio, right? So moving on, let me just show you guys another quick tour of how it works. Great features you will love, right? High compatibility, best places ads. So they place ads and others. Style your radio, detailed statistic and API, simple system, and payouts, right? So I'll encourage you to go out through this. Why is it that only 1% of you audience I have take action? And I know the people that take action. So I'll encourage you, if you're not taking action right now, just I'll encourage you. It will help you. I'm just trying to help you guys. Just take action, and everything I've been teaching you guys, just be doing it. I mean, a lot of people would say maybe it might not work. It works. I've been showing you guys proof. Or some of my videos I've been doing, I've been showing you guys proof. I don't know, maybe it's people want things that easily handed out to them. Life doesn't work that way. I'm trying to give you just a simple advice. But moving on, that's beyond the scope of this video. Moving on, just read all this and check it out and understand. So question and answer. This is the 3.3 asked questions, right? So is this service is free? Yes, the membership is 100% free. We pay out in points, then it converts to USD. You can use you can't use bots on this. You can't use any bots on all this. You will be banned. So payments can be via PayPal. You can see, like I said, you can collect it via PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon gift card. They have a whole lot of ways to pay. So you can sign up right now and get free access immediately. So see our live statistics. You can see membership, see their listener statistics, see their members, see their listeners already paid. See how much they have already paid. As you can see, it's a whole lot, right? So this is the amount that I have paid out. See where they function. As you can see, Nigeria is included. 6 listeners in Nigeria. They have 6 listeners in wherever you are, Canada, United States, Brazil, all over, everywhere. So there's no excuse for you not to start diving. South Africa, shout out to my sisters and brothers in South Africa, right? You guys are making it. Even in Kenya, shout out to you guys. Ghana as well, shout out to you guys. 7 listeners in Ghana. So that's how this website works. And there's a link in case you want to help out support this channel as well. There's a link below about the donation tabs. You can donate through PayPal, you can donate through Patreon. Patreon is a website that helps creators to improve their game. right? Improve their game. Just support every income or funds that you donate using that link will be ventured into this YouTube channel to buy a better camera, better lighting, better background and all that, so you guys can get a better experience from making money online. So if you want to support me, I encourage it. I'll take it to my heart and I appreciate you guys. You can use that donate button and encourage me to keep dropping videos. So click on the playlist that will pop up on your screen right now. There's a playlist that will pop up right now. Just click on it. As you click on it, watch as much of your videos right there and gain value as well. I have a whole lot of videos there that will teaching you guys how to make money online on 2020. So watch as many as you can. And that being said, thank you guys, and I will see you on my next video.